AMC stock had yet another difficult day today. And you know what? It's not just AMC that is down. You can literally click on anything today, and chances are it was in the red, and it was deep in the red. Guys, the SPY was down 2+%, the NASDAQ was down 2+%, the Dow was down 2+%, and yes, AMC was down as well. Now, Adam Aron has announced that AMC will be upgrading its projectors throughout the coming years, so I do want to talk about that, but more importantly, I want to talk about the price of AMC, how it relates to the market, and when we can expect or should expect some sort of a stop to all of the bleeding that is going on. So if it sounds like something you're interested in, let's get started. What's up, everybody? I'm Clay. I'm here to make 2022 the best year ever. If you haven't clicked that subscribe button, make sure to subscribe to the channel. Join us. Become a bro. We are here every single day, and we are growing our portfolios together. And look, if you're brand new to investing, you don't know how or where to buy stocks and crypto, you got a link in the description for Webull. Super simple to set up your account. Any deposit, 5 free stocks. Any $1 crypto trade, $5 in free crypto. And then if you guys want crypto exclusive exchanges, you have those down there as well, each with their own rewards. But let's start with Adam Aron's, new projectors that AMC Entertainment is going to be buying and implementing, what it means for AMC's fundamentals, what it means for AMC's, viewers, and then let's get into the price action on AMC. So Adam Aron just announced today, or AMC just announced today, that AMC theaters will be installing, I believe, an additional 3,500 laser projectors. Now, these laser projectors, clearly they're supposed to have better image quality, the colors are supposed to be brighter and more vibrant and so on. Like, I get that. I already think that movie theaters, the screens look excellent anyway, but this is also supposed to be more energy efficient. Adam Aron said that these new lasers are going to be the greenest initiative in AMC Entertainment's 102-year history. So clearly, they're going to be saving AMC on a lot on electricity bills, and that's a good thing over the long run. But this is a $250 million investment. So it's not a cheap initiative whatsoever. They're going to be spending over $250 million to have these projectors installed, but it's going to be over a period of about 4 years. These are going to be installed throughout 2026. So I don't know when the first ones are going to hit movie theaters, but it's going to take a long time to roll these out. And of course, they said it's not a huge upfront cost. So I don't know if they're borrowing that $250 million, and that's why it's not a large upfront cost, or if they're just going to be making payments as they install them, and because it's a 4-year initiative, they're going to be paying over 4 years. Not exactly sure what the finance side of things look like there, but hopefully they're not taking on any more debt. Sitting on $1.6 billion in cash, I would expect them to be able to pay for $250 million worth of laser equipment for their projectors if that's the route they decide to go. So clearly, Adam is doing very well, and AMC is doing very, very well at upgrading their movie theaters and trying to increase the viewership experience. You know, better food, better movies, better, screen quality. Audio should be the next thing, right? Improve the audio quality as well. So improving the fundamentals, great for the long term, great for the long run, and all of that. Now, of course, a lot of people on the comments on these Twitter posts for AMC very involved and very worried about AMC's debt load. Me as well, right? AMC cannot go on if they don't pay this debt down, and unless revenue increases by a drastic amount, it's going to be difficult to pay down the drastic debt and drastic deferred rent that AMC owns out there. So I understand the, concern. Hopefully, we can trust the executive team at AMC to do just that and pay down that debt load. But price, everybody, at the end of the day, if AMC's price is moving up, I don't care as much about the fundamentals. I really don't care as much about the fundamentals as I do AMC's price. This is a technical play. It's a very speculative play, and I'm here for AMC's price action, squeeze action, and price going to ridiculously high numbers. But right now, we've been witnessing AMC Entertainment going lower for quite some time. So before we go higher, we need to know how much lower we can go. I believe the Nasdaq closed somewhere around 12,800 points. The S&P, the SPY, closed somewhere around, I believe, like 418 or 420. And then AMC closed in the 16s today. Guys, we have levels of support that are coming up on each of these indices and the SPY and AMC as well. AMC's next major level of resistance is at $14.50 per share. Now, you guys, this is the infamous support level that we've been talking about for years now, and hopefully it holds up. It's going to be hit, or should be hit, around the same time that the Nasdaq reaches 12,500 points. That is a very significant level of support for the Nasdaq. And coming up on the SPY, 415 is the point that you're going to be at when all of these three levels of support coincide with each other and are most likely going to be touched at the same time. Now, knowing each of these is an extremely significant level of support, AMC, NASDAQ, and SPY are all set to potentially hit them at the same time. It could absolutely be a turning point. But guys, nothing is set in stone. That's a little bit of a glimpse into technical analysis and looking at support and resistance levels and so on. But what we have right now is a bear market. We've got a correction taking place and a fearful market. It doesn't matter if you say good things or bad things about interest rates and inflation. If you mention the words interest and inflation, it's almost like it causes some sort of a sell-off. Not a little sell-off where you'll lose 0.25%, a sell-off where you lose 2 to 3% in an overall index in a single day. Investors are nervous, investors are scared, investors are fearful, and at the end of the day, technical analysis is great, but until that confidence returns, and until investors stop all of the fear, it's going to be difficult to rise in price. Now, I'm not saying this to scare anybody out. I'm simply saying this because that's the market we're facing right now. And if we expect AMC stock to run, we've got to have that money inflowing from somewhere. And in the current market conditions that we're facing right now, it's going to be difficult to see that money coming in. Now, knowing all of this fear is out there, it still does not in any way change the short squeeze numbers. The short interest is still there. The cost to borrow is still there. The utilization is still there. AMC's fundamentals are still increasing. Revenue is increasing. The overall the viewer quality is increasing. We've got a lot to look forward to. We just have to get out of these dark times, and the market has to stop bleeding before we see AMC really take off. Now, guys, I want to know what you think. So down in the comments below, let me know what you think about these support levels and whether or not you think they're going to hold up moving forward. This button right here is still red. You guys know what to do. Click it, subscribe to the channel, join us, become a bro. We are here every single day, and we are growing our portfolios together. ClayBro883 on Twitter and Instagram. We will buy at SheminiCrypto.com. Until the next time, hope that each and every one of you have an awesome day.